What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Happy weekend. Today we're going to be doing a tear down on a very generic frame. I can get these things for next to nothing at the secondhand stores. Seems to be, geez, what was it, about a decade, maybe 15 years ago that digital frames were all the rage. Everybody wanted them. It was a big deal to have, and for at least 2 or 3 Christmas seasons, every grandmother all over the world, well, at least North America, probably got one. Oh, well, that one seems kind of stripped. I might have to fight with that one off camera. There's one thing I hate. It's stripped screws. And man, I've gotten stripped screws on anything. I've gotten stripped screws on Lenovo systems, new Lenovo systems. Oh, it almost pops out. That one. That one's... Alright, I had to ask it real nicely. But I decided it would come out for me. Oh, wow. Oh, yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Okay, first off, okay, high voltage, don't put your wang in there. Zorel. Wonder if this guy's related to Superman. Kal-El. Interesting, very interesting. Okay, let me get this thing apart. So that pops out. Oh, man, these little clips, they always have different ways of doing things, eh? Let's just keep them all standard and the same. Make them all do the same standard, same things. That's what I would like to see anyways. Okay, so that's the ground, that's the power, back and forth. Oh, okay, so yeah, that ground plug is right now. So, that'll be the thing, that'd be the power supply, but it doesn't really look like it from here. Geez, the power comes in right there. Okay, so I guess the power supply is all done by the brick. The brick that didn't work. I'm not seeing why this didn't work for me. It must be a transformer or something right there. That's usually to... At least I believe that's a bit of a transformer. If I'm wrong, please let me know. Oh, this looks pretty nasty. I almost wonder if this is the issue. Sometimes it's hard for me to tell if it's what I'm looking at is flux or what. I've heard about flux that will actually turn into something that is not exactly flux. I think that's flux. Like I know a guy that repairs flat screen TVs, and something on cheap TVs, sometimes something gets used as flux or something like that, ends up becoming, oh, that looks like a problem. That'll be what the issue was. Either that or that is like nasty flux. Maybe that is the kind of flux that turns into, whatever it's called when electricity can flow through it. I'm drawing a blank today. What the heck? Killed by flux? Maybe. It's like the sticker took all the words. Doesn't make any sense to me. Well, anyways, there we go. There you have it. That is a photo frame torn down. Have a good one, folks. Take care of each other.